Hi, I am Ayyappa and I am from Tirupati. I have studied in Sri Venkateswara University, Tirupati itself. I have come with a civil background with an aggregate of 8.72 CGPA. So I have joined JSpiders Basavanagudi without any basic knowledge on programming. This institute was very helpful for me to learn from basics. Here the trainers are best in teaching the Java. Mainly Shishira sir will be very helpful because he trained from very basics, and by learning core Java we can easily crack the jobs here. Very helpful in training core Java OOPS concepts, and Raghu sir was very helpful in learning programming and data structures, and I have learned advanced Java concepts here as well from Vivek sir, and HRs helped me very lot in placement drives. They are very collaborative with us.